In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana AI quick tips to create a project. If you're looking to make your project setup faster and more efficient, this guide will walk you through how to use Asana's AI-powered features to build a well-structured project in just a few minutes. By the end, you'll be able to turn a simple idea into an organized workspace without starting from scratch. Begin by going to your Asana dashboard. At the top left corner, you'll find the option to create something new. Click it, then choose to create a project. This tells Asana that you're starting a fresh workflow and opens the door to using its AI capabilities. You'll now arrive at the project setup screen. Select the option to start with a blank project. Think of this as giving yourself a clean foundation. Instead of relying on pre-made templates, you're allowing the AI to build a structure that matches your specific needs. Next, give your project a name. This step plays a key role because the AI uses your project title to understand your goal and generate relevant suggestions. Try to be clear and descriptive so the system can produce more accurate results. A well-defined name helps shape everything that comes next. Once you've entered the name, you may see an option to proceed with AI assistance. Go ahead and continue, and give the system a moment to process your input. During this time, Asana is analyzing your project title and generating a tailored setup. Soon, a preview will appear on your screen. This preview typically includes a suggested description, organized sections, and custom fields that match your workflow. It's like having a smart assistant map out your project structure for you, saving you the effort of building everything manually. At this stage, you can refine the setup. Adjust the sections, rename them, or rearrange elements to better suit your process. You're not locked into the initial suggestions, so feel free to customize everything until it fits your workflow perfectly. If the suggestions don't quite match your expectations, you can generate a new set of recommendations. This gives you flexibility to explore different layouts until you find one that works best. Once you're satisfied with the structure, finalize everything by creating the project. Just like that, you'll have a fully organized workspace ready to go, without spending extra time on manual setup. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.